perfectly seared scallops every time. It's possible. You're going to be amazed how easy it is. Not to mention how extremely delicious they are. So you got to start out, of course, with a package of good scallops. The bigger the better, in my opinion, but even the small ones are tasty. Look at that bad boy. So you got to line a cookie sheet with some paper towels and be sure to get those scallops on there in a single layer. And then the whole goal here is just to dry them off. You're never going to get that perfect crust if you do not dry them off. I mean, this is just a general searing tip, actually. So I'm making some infused oil. This is just another way to add some flavor before you season these bad boys. So I'm adding in some rosemary, some thyme, some bay leaves, a whole bunch of garlic. And I add some chili flakes and a couple other things. Whatever you want, really. Whatever flavors you want in this dish. You're just making some liquid gold to get your scallops even more delicious. So the next step is to get a pan screaming hot. I like to use cast iron because it retains heat really well. Put about 1/8 of an inch of oil in there and add those scallops in a single layer. And this part happens really fast, so do not walk away. As you can see, I'm just getting the final one in there, and the first ones I put in are already getting some color on them. So, once you get the desired level of doneness on that first side, give them a flip, and you're not going to cook for too much longer after this, because scallops are best medium rare, in my opinion. Beautiful. Alright, so one last step is to sort of roll them around. This is equivalent to basting, as you would do in a smaller pan. You could get close to it without getting all that oil splattered on you. Gonna roll them around just to get those sides a little bit, and then you're gonna start removing, and that was literally like 45 seconds start to finish. It's pretty incredible. When they're done, you want to season them with salt and pepper and whatever else you want. You could throw on some cayenne, you could throw on some herbs. So I like to make charred Mexican corn tacos and add some cotija with this. It just makes for a really delicious snack, delicious meal, especially for a celebration on some homemade corn tortillas. So if you liked this video, be sure to like and subscribe. I'm definitely going to come out with a video for these delicious scallop corn tacos pretty soon. Show you how to get that perfect char in that corn as well. See you next time on Sam Goes and Eats.